From a at a vehicle level, right? So we know it's um, used. Like it's been used for a long in use for a long time now, and if we were to, and this is a sort of a ballpark number I'm asking, if you were to use this for a EV application where pretty much it's replaced all the all the sealants or as well as hoses with TPV, what sort of weight savings are we looking at from and just at a ballpark level?
Okay, so I mean there are a lot of different kinds of vehicles in the market. There are SUVs,
Right.
sedans. So
We
yeah,
can
so
take,
yeah,
I mean, the percentages
okay,
should probably
okay. So
still
I will
be.
take a example of a sedan, and
Okay.
um, typically there will be around 15 kg of EPDM rubber which is used in a sedan kind of
Mhm.
vehicle. And if you replace all these parts with Santoprene, you can easily achieve a weight reduction of somewhere around 4 to 5 kgs. So for an EV vehicle, this is significant, huge. Even
Right.
for IC, it is significant, but EV again, it is much more significant. And coming to the hoses, the number of hoses that are used in EV vehicle is 3 times higher than IC engines. So again, it is a very important factor here. So why
Right.
we should use TPVs.